Welcome back to the Hotep Money Channel, where we cover the latest in artificial intelligence and finance news. I'm your host, Hotep Jesus, and without further ado, let's hop right into it. NVIDIA just got some great news from the Trump administration. Looks like those NVIDIA H200 chips are about to get the green light. It says here, seeking a compromise over controlling exports to China, the White House plans to direct the U.S. Department of Commerce to allow the export of powerful NVIDIA GPUs that are roughly 18 months behind its most advanced offerings, according to a person with knowledge of the plan. This morning, NVIDIA boomed straight out the gate, complete opposite of what the S&P 100 did. And a lot of the AI chip companies sort of traced along with it. We saw a little bit of tracing along with it. Also in the AI space, big news coming out of OpenAI. Instacart announced that it is the first grocery partner to launch an app on ChatGPT and the first to offer an embedded end-to-end shopping and instant checkout, all within the context of a ChatGPT conversation. This new integration makes it easier than ever for people to go from meal inspiration to doorstep delivery using Instacart's real-time grocery network and fulfillment capabilities with the help of OpenAI frontier model capabilities. So basically how that works is, you type in, hey, I need a bigger cake, and it tells you all the things. And you're like, okay, I have Instacart send it to my house, and it says, great, cool, check out here, and it's just done. It's perfect for the single dads. Perfect for single dads or lazy baby mamas. Netflix got some competition. Paramount said, not so fast, Netflix. Paramount Skydance is launching a hostile bid to buy Warner Brothers Discovery after it lost out to Netflix in a months-long bidding war for the legacy assets. Paramount will go straight to Warner Brothers Discovery shareholders with an all-cash $30 per share offer. Shares of Paramount were surging 7% higher in the morning, trading Monday. Warner Brothers Discovery shares were about 5%, while Netflix was down 4%. So here's how you play this. You're going to take your Google alerts. You're going to turn your Google alerts on. You're going to set your Google alerts for Paramount, Warner Brothers, Paramount WB, every keyword. And every time you want it to say as it happens, you're going to choose as it happens, because when that news hits, you want to be right there to get that Paramount stock. Not financial advice. Do your own research. So big things are happening there, and Netflix also started trading down following that news. So it looks like Warner Brothers may not go woke, as some people have said. In the semiconductor space, Navitas Semiconductor Corporation, the industry leader in the next generation of GaNFast gallium nitride and GeneSiC silicon carbide power semiconductors, and Cyient Semiconductors Private Limited, a fast-growing provider of ASIC, ASSP, and power solutions provider, have announced a strategic long-term partnership intended to advance the adoption of GaN technology in India and establish a complete end-to-end GaN ecosystem. The partnership seeks to build a robust local supply chain and manufacturing ecosystem in support of the Indian government's Make India Great Again. No, it doesn't say that. It says Make in India initiative. I just want to put that out there. So India is getting a nice little boost from Navitas. Navitas should definitely be on your watch list. If it's not on your watch list, add it now. Tell me what's your favorite AI stock. Hit the like and subscribe button right now before we go to the last update. So we got 2026 predictions. 2026 market predictions. It looks like they're saying 8,100. According to Oppenheimer Asset Management Strategists, they are saying year-end target is 7,100. And next year, I believe they're saying 8,100. Go fact check me. But by the end of 2026, they're looking at 8,100. Last time I checked, I think, what is SPX at? Like 6,400, 6,300 right now? So look out for that. Looks like we're getting a big year. If you take a look at the yearly chart, I believe there's a inside with a 2 to the upside and a 2 to the upside. So on the yearly bars. So check that out. Looks like we're going up next year. Do remember this week we do have the FOMC meeting, and it's looking like a 0.25% rate cut. Not sure how the markets will react to that. Not sure if it's priced in, but we did get a big sell-off today, which I think is a liquidity grab for the boom coming later this week. But I cannot be too sure. There are no guarantees. The stock market is a crazy place. With that being said, this is the end of your Hotep Money update, and I'll see you tomorrow.
When you was training me, man, when it was training day, like Denzel.
Nothing can stop me, I'm all the way up.